Okay, so here's where we put the things together. The left hand changing the notes and giving us different sounds, and the bow actually making those sounds for us. So two hands doing completely different things. Okay, so here's a performance of Old MacDonald with the bow. Out, up, on. So again, I start on the blue tape. I balance my bow so I get it nice and straight, nice and on that level, right, that angle that we need. Old MacDonald had a farm. A string. B-B-A-A-G. And here's our and. And on that farm he had a note. A string. B-B-A-A-G. Now D's and blues. With a G, G here and a G, G there. Here a G, there a G. Everywhere a G, G. Old MacDonald had a farm. B-B-A-A-G. We go into rest position. I'm sitting. We say hippopotamus. Now, you have to remember when you're going back and forth between strings, especially with the bow, again, both the fingers and the bow have to travel between the two. Now, when you're going from the D string to the A string, everything's sort of traveling to the right for the violins and viola players, traveling around, so it's kind of to the left for the cello players. When you're coming back the other direction, for the B, B, A, A, for the G, for the blue tape note, then you want to start getting your finger ready to move just a little bit sooner. In fact, actually, as I play it, when I'm playing my open A's, I'm already starting to get my hand ready for it. So my advice for that little section there, because that is probably the trickiest part of the piece when we combine the two things together, is just work on that on its own. Right? There's a little strategy as well where we just isolate things. And we'll learn more about that as well. It's called search and rescue. But just play those 5 notes. B, B, A, A. Do you see my hand move? All I have to do now is just put it down for the G. I'll do it one more time. So as I'm playing my B, my fingers are kind of ready, just sort of on the side here because I don't really need them. But as soon as I pick up my first finger, they're going to move over top of my D string. B, B, A, A. And then I just put it straight down for the G. Now that's something that can only come with practicing, because if you just try to wing it and you say, oh, well, when I get there I'll put the finger down, you'll probably put it down late. And then it'll sound like, Old MacDonald had a farm, B-B-A-A, G, right? Which is not how we sing it. B-B-A-A-G. There's no break in between there. So your fingers have to move a little sooner to make that happen well. Okay, so work on that one little section too, and then you'll have that up and running as well. All right, hope this has been useful to you, and please do subscribe to the channel, and you'll see a lot more of these in the future. Thank you very much.